Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_Plans on Instagram. So for today, I will be setting up my April bullet journal. Yes, we're already into the 4th month of the year and I'm just loving all my bullet journal setups. So for this April, I will be using this Petals and Paws from Saucy Stickers Co. It's so cute with the kitty cat. So I just wanted to do kitty plans. So kitty. And I'm also using this hinge that is from Mariah from Imperfect Plans. She sells this pop-ups that's so cute, and she collaborated with Saucy Stickers Co on this. So I will be using that gate or fence with the hinge to hide that cute kitty cat for my cover page. This is so cute. I just put the house behind it, so or house or some kind of shed or sort of some sort. It might be a too small house. So yeah, I'm just sticking down the fence, and then as you can see, you can open and close this very cute fence with a gate. So yes, I love it so much. I'm gluing it down with this glue pen. It's so amazing. Like this glue pen, yeah, for like this small corners or like small like the fence sticks, right? it's just perfect for like smaller areas to glue down. Alright, so I'll be putting down some florals to just put some color into this cover page and just measuring things up. I think I'll be putting the flowers all throughout this fence because yeah, the florals in this kit is so pretty. So yeah, we gotta show it on this page. Alright, and then I'll be putting down this really cute quote. It's sunny with a chance of flowers. And then I always put down this chapter. So it's the 4th month. So that's why there's the chapter 4. And then I'm using this April script. This is from Paper Trail Plans in silver foil. So I wanted to do like all the foil that I'll be putting down in silver. And then I'm using like the swatches, like alcohol ink swatches, like as clouds. Yeah, that is my sky. I have a very simple cover page, but it's so cute with that gate or hinge. All right, so for this other page, I usually do the 1 line a day, but this time I already put 1 line a day somewhere else in one of my journals. So I'm like, let's just do like favorites of this month. So I put this month like faves. If like I'm like I love listening to Olivia Dean. So am I still gonna be listening to Olivia Dean at this for this month? Maybe yes. So I can put that down, or I'm watching this certain series or reading this really good book. So it's just the faves of the month. So I really like that. It's simpler and it's easier to track than like doing 1 line a day when I'm doing 1 line a day somewhere else too. So I'm putting down like torn paper. So these are just like dividers between things I want to write down. And I'll be using also a freebie from Jenny and her plans to stick down this cute small stickers. All right, so that's it for these 2 pages. Let's go to the next page. So this will be my monthly page. I am putting down the floral washi just as like an edge because I'm going to do like a sort of touch door. That's why I'm showing you where I'm going to be cutting the lines, and then that would encompass both my, I think, the month, and then like other notes or pages I want to include. So it's not really Dutch door, but more of a waterfall, maybe waterfall tabs it's called. And I'm using like different washi for this, like the edges. I like putting like it looks really nice with the washi on the edges, so that's what I did here. Because if you don't put one, it's like you can't see the separation of the paper because it's like white on white. So to put that washi on it will help you navigate your pages, I think. Yes, so that is what I do. And then voila, there's the month. I didn't bother filming it because it would be boring watching me putting down this silver foil and then date dot. So I'm just putting down the rest of the deco stickers so that it'll look really cute with the many kitty cats in this deco kit. I'm just filling it up with a lot of stickers, a lot of florals, and then more cats, more kittens playing with florals. And yeah, so cute. I think I'll also be putting down the month April. It will be the script from Blissful Jayde Designs. Here you go. Almost done with this monthly spread, just finishing the touches on this deco over here. And I think that's it for the months page. All right, so let's get to the PR page. So the PR page is where I write down all the shops that I promote, or promote their sales or anything going on in the shop. And this time I'm going to have 5 shops that I'll be representing for this month of April. So I'm so happy I got into another PR shop this month. So that's really great news. So you'll see that during the month of April. Okay, the second page is for my orders or my tracking. This is like tracking my orders that I put on stickers, on books. So yeah, it's a great way to track your orders, because it's like this is the date you buy it, and then it's like you receive it this day, it got shipped, and also how much you've been spending. So it's a great way to track your orders. All right, we're done with those pages, and then we'll go next to my TV and books tracker. So I put down boxes on this page to write down all the books that I've read for this month. I like that I get to know what books I've read for that month. And then we're also putting down the other page. The left page would be my ideas page, where I just put down the designs I'll be doing for the next bullet journal spread I'll be setting up. So it's a really great page. I use it because I turn back to it when I need to know what I want to do with this the month setup. So I just put down a lot of deco, so cute. And these are the boxes that I put down. It's just any which way. The design is just, I just like putting down the boxes and like watching it being like laying down here. So yeah, that's it for the TV and books. All right, so I did set up the weekly or the month of April already, the same way I set up the waterfall tabs that I did previously, and I just put in the boxes with the days of the week. So I'm creating now the page for the memories. So this is where I put down pictures or photos of the month. And they can vary in size. I have varying sizes of pictures. It doesn't have to be like a certain size, so that's why it's fine with me when putting down pictures. I print them all down, and then I am using this pop-up. This is from Mariah from Imperfect Plans once again, and it's a photo slider. So just to glue it down, and then you're just gonna pull it out and you can put down pictures on this. So I was thinking it was perfect for my memories page, and I'm just putting down some deco just to add some color to the photo slider. So the photo sliders that Mariah has also designs, so you can choose different designs. I just like the plain one so that I can put my own deco on it. So I'm just putting a few deco, and then in between those deco I'll be putting photos down. So it's really great, like a for memories page, that you can put more photos here. Alright, so I'm gonna decorate all the empty spaces with more cats, of course, all along the month. Like these are the things I need to do for the month. So this is more for the function of this spread, of tracking everything I need to do. So I didn't put it in like a weekly kind of way. I just put down all the boxes that I could fit within these pages within the month, like from 1 to 30. So April is 1 to 30. So I have all the days here. I don't separate it into days like weekly. And then I forgot to put down the rest of the days here, but I did do it after setting this up. So I'm just putting down the rest of the deco, and I'll be going through the other pages as well to put in more fillers for spaces I think need some stickers. So yeah, and also using up the stickers of the sheets. Alright, so this is the the month of April with this month and the cover page. So pretty. And then we have my events where I put down all the things that are happening. So it's at a glance, events in a glance. And then we have my PR page and the orders tracker. We have my ideas page, and then the TV and books that I'll be reading this month and also watching. And of course, my beautiful memories page with this photo slider. And my to-dos for the month. So yeah, that is it for this April. It's so pretty. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!